To fix this problem, what you have to do is to go straight to your phone menu and try to search for your X app or Twitter app. So when you find your X app, just tap on it for some while. And after that, tap on this section over here. On other device, you're going to see app info. So what you have to do is to tap on it. So guys, let's tap on it. After that, you're going to be in the app info of X. So what you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. After that, go back and tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK, tap on permissions, then you make sure every permission is allowed. As you can see, don't deny any of these permissions. Now go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to your Google Play Store, what you have to do is to tap on this update. So after tapping on the update, you're going to see that your X app is going to download from 0 to 100, and after that it's going to reinstall on your device. And after reinstalling it on your device, you have to tap on your power button to restart your device before tapping on open. So tap on your power button, now tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting your device. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.